Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix site not publishing in Hostinger website Builder at 2026. So actually guys, first you all need to make sure that you are hosting an actual plan or a plan that is active, okay? And this is the first cause. So you all need to check first, alright? So just log in to Hostinger and go to home here or hosting, alright? And here you can go to your to-dos section, or you can just find it on the top section sometimes, okay? And here you can make sure that your plan is active, it's not expired, and it's linked to the website you are editing, for example, okay? And if hosting is expired, the site cannot publish, of course. So just renew it, then try publishing again. This is the first thing. The second thing is to check the domain connection, and that's a very common issue. And if you are using a custom domain, for example, just go ahead with me with the domains option on the left hand menu, and here if you have an actual domain, you will need to check the status of it, okay? Like DNS must point to single name servers, domain must be verified and active as well. And if you change the DNS, it can take up to 24 hours, okay? Try publishing using the temporary Hostinger subdomain, for example, and if that works, the issue is 100% DNS related. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.